This is educational, not trading or investment advice, okay? This is entertainment, possibly, mainly educational. Future stocks, bond trading of any kind involves substantial risk. You may lose everything you have. Before trading or investments, do your own due diligence. This is not a recommendation to go out and trade with your money, okay? If you do so, you're on your own. If you're watching or listening to this video, you are agreeing to these terms. Okay, let's get to it. Welcome and thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. Here on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel, day trading for an ROI payout. It's just my trade journal market analysis. Rule-based price action trading, daily affirmation. I see it and understand. Rigid discipline and rules, flexible and outcome expectations, independent thinker, impeccable risk manager, precision-based trader, responsible business manager. And here we are Monday in the early AM part of the session, and this is November 6, 2023. On the left, we've got an ES daily 3-candle chart. You can see here the green is just below the 4,400 level, and the dollar on the right side, we are below currently the 105 level. So I want to go into very specific levels on the ES. Let's get to it. Next chart. By now, everybody's already heard we had the biggest weekly bull candle of the year 2023. The last time this happened on a weekly candle was exactly first week of November 2022. So what's next? We've got a fair value gap here between the candle on the 11th of September and the 25th of September. The low of that fair value gap comes in about 43.8675, and the high of it is 44.91. I doubt really we're going to go all the way up to 4,500, but it'd be plausible if they want to close the fair value gap. But the point is, what happens after a giant propellant of a green candle goes up on the highest bull candle of the year? And the answer is going to be, we're going to have to see what Monday does. So that means no pushing of buttons, really. So just watch, observe. And Tuesday is when I want to be most active. But let's go into a smaller time frame to look at the levels on where New York Midnight is, London, and other price action levels. Next chart. So the first thing is the range. The range so far on Monday, November 6, is very muted. We're basically 10 handles, give or take a little bit. And so you can see here, the afternoon high of the previous Friday was 91.75, and the low of the afternoon was 43.74, but we're not even exploiting the high of the afternoon high and low here. So what I need to see, first of all, is price get some escape velocity above this yellow rectangle, which is an order block that goes back at the beginning of the silver bullet of the afternoon. In fact, it's just really consolidation slightly up. So maybe we're taking a breather. I think it's all about the RTH observing there, and then maybe an afternoon possibility for a silver bullet trade setup. But Tuesday to me is going to be the better play here. I don't want to play in a consolidated small range after a previous week of almost 248 handles. So London comes in at 43.80 and 50. New York Midnight 43.77. So that's fairly narrow. And you've got this new week open gap, super narrow here, 43.79.25 high. New week open gap 73.78.50. New week open gap low. So that's it. These are the four levels right here. Prices are currently above it, but not by a lot. No enthusiasm for me to push buttons here. I'm just going to try to leave things alone, but I'm going to keenly observe the levels. So that kind of does it on the shorter video version. Day trading for me, it's not everyday trading, especially when I've got the day after a massive year-to-date bullish weekly candle of the year. So I just want to see the week after develop. We'll see how the time of day elements work for Monday. Thanks so much for watching. Take care and aloha. Bye.